Hello. Hi, this is 4youelectrical. We'll go for the introduction to the NanoCAD. Okay, here is the NanoCAD. Here we are having the NanoCAD 5. Oh, this is the free version, and this one is the open source software. For if you don't have purchase of AutoCAD, okay, for different variables. Okay, this is easily available for any website, that is NanoCAD website. Now here, after downloading the installation, it will be open. Now here we'll go for the starting. Here we will go with the new document. Here we're having the model, having the command mode, and at the tools, drawing tools will there. Next, different layouts, different viewports, and different view, top, bottom, different views. And here the text bar and the edit toolbar is there. Okay, yes, we'll go for the how to set up page setup. Okay, to draw the starting method. Okay, for the beginners. Okay, we'll go for first we have to select the limits. Okay, here select the limits. We're having the here, so I'm here selecting the A0 sheet paper. Okay, that is here. One thing you have to remember, that here whatever we're having this NanoCAD, having the all dimensions are in mm. Okay, so first we have to start the grid and snap modes. Okay, here I'm selecting this having the only 2D dimension, so I'm selecting only diagram, that is 2D diagram. So here first we'll go for the drawing limits. Okay, limits are already selected, that is drawing limit 0, 0. Next, so I'm entering that is starting from 0, 0. Then so I'm taking the A0 sheet, that is in landscape. Okay, for A0 sheet we're having the landscape, that is 1189 comma 841. Okay, so this is a A0 sheet, so it is a limit shall be selected. Okay, so here if you select the grid, okay, we'll go for the grid. Okay, so grid limits, or we'll set up the grid limits. Okay, so grid limits will having the 0, 0. Okay, same 1189 comma 841. Okay, see where will be having the grid limits will be selected. Okay, now so now we'll draw the one rectangle diagram to his the for all diagram sheet. Okay, so here I have to select, that is rectangle by 2 points. Okay, first I'll select the first point 0, 0. Next another one, that is 1189 comma 841. Okay, so here we are drawing this diagram. Okay, so we are whatever drawing here, that will be available. So so this is on the zoom level. Okay, how it is zoom option, great, snap great, zoom in options are there. So grid will be on. Yeah, it shows grid. Okay, zoom option also there. Okay, zoom out, alt O. Okay, here. So this is the limits. So whatever drawn, that will have in the here. Okay, that is A0 sheet in landscape. Here I'm selecting that one. Okay, now so here selecting now so real time, like that is. Okay, now so here we start with the polygon. Okay, easy to draw, understand the what's drawing. Okay, I'm selecting the sides 6 center polygon. So here I'm selecting this one is a center point. I'm set with the snap, easy to that is snap. I'm selected. Now so I'm selecting the inscribed and circle. So I'm selecting the circumferenced. Now so now I'm taking the, that is 25 mm for the radius. Okay, so this is the side. Okay, this is the 25 mm radius with 7. Okay, now I will draw the circle around this one. Okay, so I'm using the circle command, circle by center and radius. Okay, here I'm selecting the center point, this one, and next diameter radius 25 mm. Okay, see, this is the how it's the circumference center. Okay, this is right. Now before we'll go for the another, okay, for polygon. How? So I'll go for the polygon. Okay, so select number 6. Next specify the center. Here I'm selecting the center here. Okay, select the center. Now I'm selecting the inscribed. Okay, selecting, now I'm taking the 25 mm radius. Okay, so here on the diagram. Now we'll draw the circle again. Okay, circle. Okay, circle by center and radius. Okay, I am selecting the center here. Now represent the 25 mm radius. Okay, this is a difference. Okay, so this is a different for the circumference and inscribed. Okay, see, so this is the difference between the polygon, how it's done. Okay, now so here, so we'll having the alternate. Okay, so this is the, so now we'll go for the 3D. So for 3 diagrams we have to write this 3D. Okay, you're having the 3D. Just I'm selecting the here dome, mesh, pyramid, sphere. Okay, I'm selecting now to understand the sphere. Okay, sphere. So sphere center, I'm selecting the sphere center here. Okay, this point, the polar point. Okay, now next I'm selecting the diameter. Selecting the diameter, that is 50 mm or 50 mm radius. So 25 mm radius. Now okay, magnitude segments. So magnitude segment should be having the, selecting the around, okay, 8. Next latitude. Okay, lat should be in 8. Okay, too easy to know the words. Okay, so we'll see how it is look like. Next internet. Okay, here, so here this is a 2D diagram. See, so we are having the magnitude, latitude will cannot see here. Okay, but so we can change this view from top side. See, at a time we can see the 4 different views in an AutoCAD. Here I'm selecting the viewport, that is split into 4 viewports. Okay, here viewport 1 I'm selecting here, selecting the pan. Okay, this is I'm selecting here from top view, side view, I'm selecting this here, side view. So if you select this one, see, for this one, okay, if you select one port, so how it is look like. See, something like a sphere. Now here in this port view, so we'll select this port view as a right side view. Okay, for right side view, how it is look like. So we didn't see anything, just pressing here and zooming level. Now putting the front side, see, top side. You can observe that this diagram should be in the, okay, so we are observing that from this one is the side one. I'm zooming here, see this diagram here, so XYZ. So I'm saying this one setting different values. Now I'm seeing here from backside view how it is look like. So this is the how we can change from different values for the okay. If you didn't see, just change this viewports. Okay, see, observe different viewports there. Okay, now here, see here you can see the 4 different types of views at a time in this one. Okay, now I'm selecting now this is a common point, so I'm now closing this one. Okay, single viewport. So for single viewport view, how it is. So this is the for 2D diagram. So in the previous I'm showing the 3D diagram how to look. Okay, now okay, I'm saving this one. Save. Okay, you can give the name to whatever you need. Okay, now so this is the diagram for the nano cat. Easy operation. Okay, no, thank you. This is 4youelectrical signing off. So all our investors, if you like video, put us a like, and if you want to subscribe us. Thank you. This is 4youelectrical signing off.